Hi there, it's Miss Cosgrove. I'm here to review the Number System Standard 1A, which is describe situations in which opposite quantities combine to make 0. So we have two problems to review that standard today. The first one, from 12 o'clock midnight to 6 a.m., the temperature decreased by 12 degrees Celsius. If the original temperature was 12 degrees Celsius, which expression can be used to represent this situation? So we have a lot of clues that I want to go over in this problem. First, the original temperature was 12 degrees Celsius. So we're starting with 12. The temperature decreased between 12 o'clock and 6 a.m. Decreased, which means went down, or we're using subtraction to represent, by 12 degrees. So I'm starting at 12, but it decreased, or I'm subtracting 12, and that is going to give us 0. So this one, choice A, is the same problem that we just set up. 12 minus 12 equals 0. So we're going to circle choice answer A, but before we move on, let's make sure that B, C, and D are not correct. So choice B shows 12 plus 12. We know that this cannot be our answer because of that plus sign. If the temperature increased, then we would use plus, but because it decreased, we chose that subtraction. Choice C, it does have subtraction here, but it's subtracting by negative 12. So that cannot be our choice either. And choice D. Choice D is showing us that our original temperature was negative 12 degrees. However, right back to our problem, the original temperature was a positive 12 degrees Celsius. So that cannot be our choice, the correct choice either. The second problem today, which situation results in a final value of 0? Let's go through our answer choices. Choice A, the overall change in temperature when the temperature goes from negative 10 degrees Fahrenheit to 10 degrees Fahrenheit. So while negative 10 plus 10 would equal 0, the change that occurs here between negative 10 and a positive 10 is 20 degrees, not 0. In order to get from a negative 10 to a positive 10, you have to add 20 degrees between these two numbers. So A cannot be correct. Choice B, the total profit made when a person buys an item for $2.25 and then sells the item for $2.25. So we're looking at how much money a person has currently. What they did is they bought an item for $2.25. So they had to give that money away in order to get the item. So we're starting with negative $2.25. Then they sold the item for $2.25. So when you sell something, you're getting money for it. So we're going to add money back, and that's $2.25. And when I add a positive $2.25 to a negative $2.25, I get 0. And going back to our question, results in a final value of 0? Our choice B does that. Let's look at C and D again just to make sure that we're correct. So, choice C, the overall change in altitude of a hot air balloon after rising 21 kilometers from sea level. So we're going up from 0, from sea level, and going up 21 kilometers. It doesn't say anything about coming back down. It's just saying the overall change in altitude. So we're going up 21. So we know that C does not give us a final value of 0. Now choice D, the total distance a person travels when he bikes 3.1 miles to school and then bikes 3.1 miles back home. So we're looking at the total distance of both of those bike rides together. This one is designed to trick you. So we're traveling 3.1 miles to school, but then we have to come home. So we're adding more distance. and adding another 3.1 miles back. So we're traveling a total of 6.2 miles, which again does not equal 0. So our best answer choice for this is B. If you have any more questions about this standard, please reach out to Ms. Martin. Thanks, guys!